ibababa kasama nyo at yung mga gamit. Kalimat kanan po ang parkingan.
Ah, sige po. Thank you.
Thank you.
So here yung La Prima. And usually doon kami before. Pero ito yung pinakabago. Room tour. Daddy working. 2 beds. My area. Work table. Me. Full-length mirror, and then our things, and then hanger, shoes, they have slippers, and then they have this one, I'm not sure kung free. Here yung restroom, charan, shower, there, and then lotion, cotton buds, towels, and so that's it for our room. This is La Prima 107. Gym outfit. This is from Terra Nova, Forever 21, and Nike, pati shoes, Adidas. Everything you can find in Zalora. Hello! We're finally here and nakasettle na sa room. I'll be working here until 6 p.m. and then later, we booked a massage. Well, actually, free daw yung massage. So, here in Laiya, very new siya. And it's our first time here. Wait, may nag-doorbell. Wait lang, wait lang. Let's go! Wait lang, kuya.
Thank you po.
So, ayun. Anyway, sabi ko nga, I'll be working here until 6 p.m. And I have a meeting at 2 p.m. So, we'll attend to that. See you guys afterward. Hello! Okay, so I'm here. Like, lumabas ako because mahina yung wifi sa room. So, here naman, okay naman siya. Free yung wifi. And di naman ganun kainit. And onti lang yung tao since, well, maybe because it's a weekday. And yeah, it's currently 4 p.m. And 2 hours na lang. And I'm gonna swim now. Or I'm gonna go to the gym. So, work mode muna. I gave me cookies. Update. It's 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Isang oras na lang.
1 hour later.
Hello! Ako na lang mag-isa dito. Look at this. See? Wala lang tao. Ako na lang. It's 6 p.m. and sila dad, nagpipicture na sila outside. Well, it's okay. Mamaya na may babawi ako sa pictures. I'll go back to the room na. Ang dilim. But we're on the way to eat. Stairs daw. Dinner! Naubos yung oras ko. Okay lang. Hello, baby! Pili ko po din na sa taas. Hello!
Sabay kayo nag-knock off ni Ericka. Wala kayo.
Dapat pala natin magkasama tayo. Kaya lumabas ako. Lumabas ako. Ito yung gym. Wow! Dito tayo tomorrow morning. May meron silang pang row, pang spin, hits. Ooh, pwede ako mag-pull ups, cardio.